What's so special about AQL's transformer for landscape lighting? Let me show you. This kit comes with a 15-volt AC transformer to make installs easier and troubleshooting stress-free. Mounting is simple. One screw is all it takes. It hangs securely, and the design helps water shed right off. Open it up and you'll see this removable control module. Take this out and keep it safe. It's key for troubleshooting later. The transformer is rated at 150 watts and works with a timer. AQL offers 3 timer options. This one here is Wi-Fi, but you can simply plug it in and use it like a standard timer. The timer is the brain of the system. If there's ever an issue, just remove the timer, plug the original control module back in to reset or troubleshoot, then reinstall the timer. Simple to mount, easy to manage. Built for real-world landscape lighting, that's the AQL difference.